If you are watching this video, chances are you would have noticed the price dip in SHIB in the last couple of days. Right now, in the last 24 hours, we've seen SHIB drop 8.4%, and over the last 7 days, we've seen SHIB drop approximately 17%. And since the peak of 8,800 that we roughly saw on the 27th October, we have now dropped approximately 55%. And a lot of you are asking what is happening to SHIB, and I can sympathize. I, like everybody else, want my investment to be doing well, and I want my investment to go up. But right now, it is not doing that, but luckily there is a reason. Today, we're going to be doing a comprehensive coverage of what exactly is happening to SHIB and why SHIB prices have been going down. But this is not as bad as it sounds, because with enough knowledge and understanding, you understand that this situation is actually the light at the end of the tunnel. Without further ado, let's get into it. We'll be giving away $100 to a random subscriber to kickstart their crypto journey. To enter this giveaway, simply like and subscribe and comment your favorite crypto in the comments below. So first of all, it is critical to understand what people are thinking emotionally and psychologically when they invest into SHIB. So let's start with the first chapter, chapter 1. So people who have been looking into buying into SHIB, the early investors were pre-October, so this particular period here. So a lot of people in this period bought at this particular period and saw a growth in SHIB of approximately 500% in growth. Now, this is when SHIB picked up a lot of social media traction. And as a result of this, a lot of people this is the chapter 2, bought in the second wave of SHIB during the consolidation period. And this, despite the fact that a lot of people were not well informed, was reasonably a good buy, because this, as you can see, was a solid consolidation period because there was not a lot of pullback. So that means it was actually a very, very bullish sign that we were able to consolidate at such a level that is close to the highs of this particular period. And now here comes chapter 3, and this is where it affects most people in the market. So when we saw the second big rally of SHIB, which is this particular period, a lot of people bought into SHIB because of fear of missing out, especially of the people who bought around this particular area and this particular area. So we saw the price of SHIB begin to ramp, and a lot of people wanted to not miss out on this particular rocket ship that it was SHIB. And so they bought while the SHIB prices were rocketing, and they have never sold and still holding on to their size. Now, to quickly summarize, so we have here, this is the early investors. We'll call these guys here just investors, and the ones who bought during the rip of the rally, we call them late investors. Now, what happened after this particular hike was there was this triangular pattern that was forming, looking a little bit like this. Now, at the apex of this triangle, there was a price dump, and this was because of the CoinMarketCap saga. What happened here was that there was an error on CoinMarketCap system, which indicated that Shiba Inu was printing additional coins. However, this was an error on CoinMarketCap's end. And as a result, people thought that Shiba Inu was a scam. And all of a sudden, we saw a huge dump in Shiba Inu. And immediately after this, we saw a weak crypto market. During this particular period, we saw the crypto market going into a bearish sentiment. So across the entire crypto market, a lot of coins were falling as well. And as a result, a lot of people withdrew their investment from the crypto market, which explains some of this downward movement here, although it could be interpreted as a bit of consolidation. And now we arrive at today, which is the last 2 candles where we saw the price fall below this support level here formed around the 4,300 mark. And this is because of this one. India plans law that will prohibit all private cryptocurrencies with certain exceptions, and India seeks to block most cryptocurrencies in new bill. And now let's imagine you were the late investor. You would have either entered around the 4,000 mark, 5,000, 6,000, or maybe 7,000. And let's say you entered and you saw the immediate CoinMarketCap saga, then you would be scared. And a lot of people sold. And rightfully so, because there was a lot of misinformation and there was a lot of uncertainty within the market. And for those who still held on, they saw a negative bear sentiment in the crypto market. And we see some of these red candles here forming that indicated that they would have sold some of their positions during the down period of the crypto market. And now we have the last 3 or 4 candles. If you can think about it like this, you would have been invested in this particular stock or in this crypto asset for approximately 1 month. And in that period, you saw nothing but the price dropping. And at this point, you would have had enough. Your patience has run dry, and a lot of people are beginning to give up on hope of Shiba Inu going up any further. But this makes sense because this is your hard-earned money that you've put and invested into this particular crypto asset. And it makes sense that you're very scared and you want to cap your losses. So a lot of what we're seeing right now, the particular market action, has to do with the people who were considered late investors. They're very uncertain about the particular crypto asset, and as a result, the price of Shiba Inu is a lot more volatile. The people who were investors are not so much concerned because they've bought in at a consolidation period, and the price of SHIB is still above their price of entry, which is around the 2800 to 2700 level. So psychologically right now, we are seeing the last of the late investors getting out of their positions. So this is what we're seeing in the last couple of days. And so this behavior is what we've been witnessing in the last couple of days. Let us know in the comments whether you're an early investor, or just the investor, or a late investor. Minted Crypto is doing a limited Black Friday sale on right now, offering 20% discount on all orders. They make quality physical crypto coins that you can flex to your friends. Support your favorite crypto project and prove yourself as an early adopter with these coins. Minted Crypto has now updated their warehouse and ships from the US within 1 week. This makes a perfect gift for those who are into crypto. Take advantage of the Black Friday sale with the special discount code Black Friday at checkout for 20% off. But you might have also noticed, if you paid enough attention, that there are still big whales and big investors jumping into SHIB, such as this one. New SHIB whale was born, holds 850 billion SHIB tokens worth $36 million. Well, why is this? The short answer of this is that you have to be greedy when others are afraid. The long answer is that the fear, uncertainty, and doubt that the late investors are experiencing are masking all the positive sentiment and all the positive catalyst that has been happening to SHIB in the last week or so. We have, for instance, today, eBay replied to a tweet regarding whether you will be accepting payment, and they replied with saying this is something that will definitely pass along to the development team with regarding to ways to pay. And we also have expansion to the Shiba Inu ecosystem, a stablecoin, the Shiba Inu's latest project expanding the ecosystem. I'm not going to go into that, but this is also a big deal. In a tweet from Dell Crypto, I have inside information that a healthcare CEO commissioned a team of developers who are currently coding the next coin market cap. So we actually have another point of truth that will really help push SHIB in the right direction after the coin market cap saga with regarding to the SHIB supply circulation problem. Now, going back to the chart at hand, what we are witnessing right now, this particular event is essentially checking out all of the paper hand holders for Shiba Inu. And what happens after all of the paper hands are shaken out? You're left with nothing but the diamond hand holders who thoroughly believe in the project. And when the diamond hand holders are refusing to sell, that means the price of Shiba Inu cannot go any lower. And as a result, the price of Shiba Inu would bottom out and we will see a recovery period and another hike period for Shiba Inu. And that is what is happening to Shiba Inu right now from a psychological perspective. But the good news is, if a community rallies and bands together and diamond holds their particular crypto asset, the forces that drive the price back up once it consolidates and rallies again, it's going to be phenomenal. This is what we've seen around the period for AMC and GME as well. But as SHIB stands right now, it is incredibly difficult to predict where SHIB will consolidate. Right now, we have just broken the support level here, which is at this particular level around the 4,300 mark, and SHIB is volatile. You could bounce back right now, or you could still consolidate, or looking to go lower. Again, I'm not here to spread FUD. I'm just giving you guys the fact as I see it. And like I mentioned before, be greedy when the market is afraid. And that has always been my personal philosophy. Let us know in the comments what you guys think. If you've sold SHIB, let us know the reason why. And if you're holding on to SHIB, what is your reason to hold on? Anyway, that's all from me. I'm going to be looking into an opportune position to get myself more SHIB because I'm a greedy person and I like to do that when there are other people who are afraid. Take care and we'll catch you guys next time.